Hi, it's me, Sir Henrik, from Henrik Academy. In this lesson, I will continue my explanations regarding questions and answer pure math. As usual, before I begin these lessons, I want to remind you that please click like and subscribe. Afterward, take your pen and your notebook and let's study with me. Okay, I will begin with number 1. The first slide. Find m and n of this simultaneous equation with m squared plus 4n squared equal to and m plus 2n plus 2 equal 0. Okay. Firstly, I will simplify this linear equation. Become m equal negative 2n minus 2. Okay, and afterwards, this m, in quadratic equations, I will change with negative 2n minus 2 because m equal negative 2n minus 2. So these equations, or the equation is going to be negative 2n minus 2 squared plus 4n squared equal 2. Okay, and then I'm gonna expand this equation. Is gonna be 4n squared minus 2 times negative 2 times negative 2, become plus 8n, and then plus 4n, plus 4, sorry, and plus 4n squared equal 2. And 4n squared plus 4n squared, 8n squared, and then plus 8n, and then plus 4 minus 2 equals 0. And we're going to simplify, become 8n squared plus 8n plus 2 equals 0. Simplifications, again, divided by 2 become 4n squared, 4n plus 1, 0. And if we're factorizing this equation, is going to be 2. 2n plus 1 squared. I think students in pure math class, understand regarding this factorization. Okay, so it means n, or 2n equal negative 1. So n equal negative a half. Okay. If n, I'm going to use this space. I'm going to move this space. If n equal negative a half, recall that m equal negative 2n minus 2. M equal negative 2n minus 2. So if this n equal negative a half, it means m equal negative 2 times negative a half minus 2 equal 1 minus 2 equal negative 1. Yeah. Yeah, negative 2 times a half become positive 1. Okay, and positive 1 minus 2 equal negative 1. All right. And this one, number 2, find the intersect points of a curve and a straight line. This is the curve equations. And find the gradient of the straight line. Okay. Firstly, we need to modification these equations. This curve equation is gonna be y equal x times x squared plus 3x, okay, and plus 2 because 2 move from this side to the right side. Okay, this the quadratic equations. Okay. Now these equations, these line equations, are gonna be y equal 2x plus 8. Okay, look, so y, on the left side, and the quadratic equation y equal x squared plus 3x plus 2. Meanwhile, the line equations y equal to x plus 8. Y equal y, it means x squared. This expressions, x squared plus 3x plus 2 equal 2x plus 8. Okay. Now, if 2x and plus 8 move from the right side to the left side, such as this one, look, 3x plus 2 minus 2x minus 8 equal 0, right? Why 0? Because 2x and 8 already move from the right side to the left side. If they move, the sign have to change, become positive to negative. And now we continue to find x. Yeah, x squared plus 1x, I think. Okay, because 3x minus 2x and 2 minus 8, 6. And if we factorizing, become x plus 3 times x minus 2. Okay. So if x equal negative 3, why negative 3? Because x plus 3 equals 0. It means x equal negative 3. If x negative 3, I recall that y equal to x plus 8. Submit this negative 3 to this x, and gonna be y equal 2 times negative 3 plus 8. And how much? 2. If x positive 2. Okay, it means y equal 2 times positive 2 plus 8 equal 12. So it means the intercept points are negative 3 point and negative 3 comma 2 and 2 comma 12. Okay, so how about the gradient? This for A. How about gradient? Gradient based on these informations, these equations, y equal to x plus 8, the coefficients of x is gradient. So it means gradients or m. Gradient of this line equations is 2. All right, very simple. Now we continue to number 2, find the stationary point of fx equal x cubed minus 3x squared minus 3x plus 2. Firstly, we need to find the derivative of these functions. Yeah, derivative of the functions equal the y dx. Okay, y dx equal 3x squared minus 6x minus 3 equal 0. Now the derivative of fx equal 0 if we're going to find the stationary point of these functions. Okay, now we're going to simplify. If divided by 3, this equation is going to be x squared minus 2x minus 1 equals 0. Through factorization, we're going to find x minus 1 square equal 0. It means x equal positive 1. Okay. If x equal positive 1, we're going to find y or the ordinates. How to find the ordinates? F1. So this x change with 1. We're going to find 1 cube minus 3 times 1 squared minus 3 times 1 plus 2. And we're going to find 1 minus 3 and then minus 3 plus 2 equal negative 3. Yeah, correct, negative 3. Okay, so it means the stationary point is 1 comma negative 3. Okay, so that's the stationary point of this function x cubed minus 3x squared minus 3x plus 2. Yeah, the stationary point is 1 comma 3. All right, next find the intersections of x-axis and fx. Before I show you the solutions, I'm gonna remind you that in Cartesian diagram, this line for y-axis and this line for x-axis. And we're gonna find the intersection between these functions and x-axis, this line. Okay, now we're gonna find. Firstly, I will use Horner method, okay, but with assumptions that that 3 is a factor of these functions. Yeah, if 3 a factor of this function, it means these functions are divisible by 3, or the remainder is 0 if you divide by 3, or if you put 3 here, the remainder is 0. Okay. Yeah, maybe some of you asking me, so why you choose 3, not another number, or not 7, or not 1 or 5? Yeah, I want to answer that through according to trial and error. I'm gonna check one by one all factors of 6. Yeah, which number, if I put inside this functions, and the remainder becomes 0. Okay, so firstly you need to check one by one of factors of 6. This constant number, the factor of 6 comprised of 1, 2, 3, and 6 as well. So you need to check, put inside these functions which number, if you put on that functions, will have a remainder 0. Okay, if the remainder 0, it means that function, that number is a factor of that function. Okay, so I already checked that 3 is a factor of these functions, or x minus 3 is a factor of that function. Okay, now in Horner method, I'm gonna find the other factor. Yeah, the other factor if these functions divided by x minus 3. Okay, the coefficients of x cubed -4, coefficients of x squared 3, the coefficients of x 25, and the coefficients of, and the constant number is 6. Yeah, plus here, so -4, -4, 3 times -4, -12, 3 plus -12, -9, -27 here, because 3 times -9, -2 here, to 3 times -2, -6, and the remainder 0. Okay, and afterwards, also I had been checked by trial and error, and I found that -2 also is a factor of this function. Yeah, again by trial and error. So you have to check one by one, right? If -2, -4 here, a plus here, -2 times -4, 8, -1, this one 2, and the remainder 0. Okay, if the remainder not 0, it means that number is not a factor of this function. So the remainder must be 0. So it means negative 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus 25x plus 6. Yeah, comprised of several, comprised of 3 terms. Yeah, multiply of 3 terms, x minus 3 and x plus 2. This one x minus 3, x plus 2, and negative 4. Negative 4x minus 1. Okay. Yeah. Intersections of x-axis we could find with an assumptions if y equals 0, right? If y equals 0, we're going to find the intersection with x-axis. So if y equals 0, recall that these functions also we could write down, it become y equal negative 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus 25x plus 6. And we're going to write down such as this one, actually negative y equal negative 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus 25x plus 6. Okay, and we could factorize, become this factorization multiplication, right? Now it means if negative 4x cubed plus 3x squared plus 25x plus 6 equals 0. It means this factorizations equals 0 as well. X minus 3, x plus 2, negative 4x minus 1 equals 0. So 3 possibilities. X minus 3 equals 0. X plus 2 equals 0. And negative 4x minus 1 equal 0. Right. If x minus 3 equals 0, it means x equal positive 3. If x plus 2 equals 0, it means x equal negative 2. If negative 4x minus 1 equals 0, it means x equal negative 1/4 or negative a quarter. Yeah, so the intersection point of these functions and x-axis are 3, 0. Recall that y equals 0. Yeah. Negative 2 equal negative 2, 0. And negative a quarter, 0. Very simple. Next, if you have another questions, or maybe some of you not understand yet my explanations, you could send me a message to my email, hendrik.academy21@gmail.com. Okay, thank you for your watching. See you.